I'm back, guys. I know it's been a while, and I appreciate all of you guys' patience in waiting for me to come back to YouTube. When I got sick in October in Naxos, it really kind of took me out, and I realized how much of a break I needed. My life had become very focused on YouTube, and not in a good way. Like, I would do my job, and then I would do YouTube, and then I would kind of do nothing else. And I think it was just because I had traveled so much last year that I was just tired. As we all know, burnout is real. So that's what happened. And I got a lot of emails and messages in different places from you all, worried about me, checking on me. So I really appreciate it. And if for some reason you missed the notes on the community post saying that I was going to be taking a break, I'm really sorry. I know some of you probably don't see those. And that's unfortunate. Unfortunately, YouTube is an algorithm everywhere, not just in the videos. Anyway, but I'm back. I'm still trying to get over jet lag, even though I've been home for 2 weeks. And if you missed my other update after the break, you missed the thing saying that my camera was either lost or stolen at the DFW airport on my way back to Athens, which of course is unfortunate, and it makes it a little bit hard to do this. So I apologize for the shaky video. I'm going to try to figure out a way to get either a tripod that's not gigantic so I can run around with it. I am working on getting my insurance to give me the money back for the camera, but who knows how long that'll take. One other life update is that in November, like I think the 1st of November, someone ran into my car while it was parked, and my car is still not fixed because it's grease. And they've emailed me and asked for the same forms twice. I think I'm finally getting some movement though. I have a hair appointment in about half an hour, so I'm gonna go over to the public and see how much the camera is there. Well, here it's the whole creator combo, and I don't need that because I didn't lose everything. So I really just need the camera and the battery handles. And I've seen it online for 439 euros. So let's see. I feel so much lighter already, and it was so warm in there. You know, it's not that cold, but it was cold for a couple of days, and all the Greeks have their heat on in their shops, and ugh, I'm dying. I thought I was gonna go down and eat Chinese food since I was down here in Syntagma, but I got there and they're not open, which is weird because they're supposed to be open. So I'm not doing that. I'm going home, which is fine because I've only had about 3 hours of sleep. So, and I feel like I'm a walking zombie, like I'm not making sense to anyone. The hairdresser probably thought I was insane. Anyway. And I kept thinking today was Friday, which is wild considering I knew that my haircut was on Thursday. It's like as I get older, getting over the jet lag is getting more and more difficult. Now it is Friday, so now I'm gonna go to the leg key, which I haven't done in forever, partially because I haven't been here, and just, you know, again, the staying home and not doing anything. I do have to first go get cash. I do like to pay cash, even though a lot of the vendors now take debit cards. I do like to pay cash, so let's go do that. The weather is so much better today, and so it's warm. It feels great. The light key has moved to its winter spot, finally. I don't really need much because I'm leaving in a week to go to Qatar for work. So I'm just gonna get apples and maybe some vegetables. You know, stuff I can eat in the week. Yeah, I got broccoli, I got bananas, apples, and some really lovely tomatoes on the vine. So I think that's going to be it this week. Okay, this is what I love about Greece. I didn't have exact change to give to the guy for the fruit. I owed him 30 cents. He was like, next next time. And I was like, no. I was like, I have to buy other things. It's fine. So I brought him back, and they gave me some melon. A kind of melon I've never had, and I don't like melon, but it was really good. They tore down a building, a really old building here, and then there was this empty lot, and so they're building a new building or two, and it looks like they're pouring concrete today, and everybody's over here watching. It's the excitement of our Friday. Also, the building that's like partially finished on the other side was not that far along when I left. Tells you a lot happens in about, a month to 6 weeks in Athens. I've seen so many new places since I've been back. I'm super out of breath because our elevator seems to have stopped working properly between when I went out and when I came back. Anyway, so here's my broccoli, some lovely red delicious apples that look absolutely divine, just some regular bananas, and in here are these on the vine tomatoes. Let's see. Look at that. Let me get them out and show you. These are probably the most expensive thing. I didn't even ask how much they were. So I only got a second one, but I didn't get a lot because, like I said, I'm leaving in a week. So this should be okay. I should eat most of this before I leave. Let's hope the bananas ripen up in time. And we're back again. So I've pulled out my old GoPro because I can't really do it on the phone. And I'm still waiting for my insurance to see how much they're going to cover for my camera. I really didn't think about this until today, and only one of my mics was in the case that was taken or dropped or whatever it happened. And so I still have another mic that I was able to attach. It took me a little bit of time to figure it out. So at least have something better than my phone at this point. I'm on my way to go to a friend's house to return our book club book to her because they were sold out. So she let me borrow hers, but she hasn't read it yet. And I think another one of our book club friends wants to read her copy as well. So I need to get that back to her because book club is next week. It's been interesting today because it stopped raining. We had a big rainstorm if you didn't see it on the news. And it got warmer, but it doesn't feel warmer because it's so damp outside. Wow, traffic was bad, but of course I left during rush hour, but I didn't think about it when we arranged to meet. And some parts of the city still seem very wet. So maybe it rained over here today. No, I'm behind. On the other side of this wall is the Marble Stadium. Very cool. One night we were over here and there was a concert and we could hear it, even just standing in the back. My camera died last night, so I didn't get to film very much. That was part of the reason I don't like using this GoPro. But the insurance did get back to me last night, and they're not going to cover it, so I guess I'm buying a new camera this week. But we'll keep using this for now. I'm on my way to go meet a friend for lunch at a new place here in Kukaki called More Feelings. They also have a bakery around the corner called Feelings. So let's see how it is. So that is the bakery where the people are kind of sitting outside. And then here is the restaurant. Oh, it's busier than I thought it was going to be. Ooh, I hope they have a table. We might not be eating here. We'll see. My friend forgot. She's also getting over jet lag, and so totally understandable. Like I messaged her because they were like putting us in a different spot, and I was like, hey, message me when you get here because I'm not sure you'll be able to see me. And she's like, oh my gosh, I totally forgot. So we're going to meet tomorrow instead. But I need to go down to Irmu and try to find some shoes for work. So let's go do that. And maybe I will try to go eat at the Chinese food restaurant that I couldn't eat at earlier this week because they seem to be closed. I'm not super starving, so I can wait till I get down there and see. Anyway. Stuff happens. It's not a big deal. She was like super apologetic, but you know what? It's whatever. I'm like, go with the flow at this point. I know how it is. Like today is the first day my brain hasn't felt like Jell-O.
It really wasn't my day because not only was the Chinese place full and the 2 tables they had reserved, apparently my camera didn't record the audio. So yeah, I was just kind of like, okay, well, it's not my day. It is what it is. I then went to another place and forgot that they are not open on the weekends. So yeah, I was batting 0 here.
That was pretty good. It was better than I remember, but it was nice. 3 tacos, not too heavy. I didn't want anything heavy, so. But everywhere is packed because it's Saturday. The weather is finally nice. It's not cold. The rain stopped. So now I go look for shoes. You can kind of see how busy it is right here. And I don't know what they're doing with the fountain. It's all covered in plastic for some reason. I was successful, thank goodness, because I was about to give up hope. You know, some days it's just not your day, and I kind of thought that's how it was going, but I have shoes now. I'm gonna go home and see if they work with the clothes that I that I'm taking. But I'm tired, and it is so busy down here, so I think I'm gonna head home now. We are trying this again today. It's now Sunday. She confirmed with me this morning, so should be okay. Ooh, what was that? It is looking a little cloudy, and I looked at the weather, and they were saying that it's supposed to rain later, but it kind of looks like it's going to rain sooner than later. We've had so much rain, which is good, because there are definitely years when we don't have enough. That was really good. It's kind of small, but it was very filling. I think because of the brioche bun, and oh my gosh, the Freddo cappuccino was out of this world. It kind of tasted like a mocha, but not too chocolatey. Like there was just a hint of chocolate. And the line lasted like most of the time we were there. So what is going on with my hair? It's like super humid. It's supposed to rain again tonight, and so my hair just isn't holding the wave that it normally would. Anyway, I have to do Greek homework now. So even though I stopped YouTube, I've still been doing Greek homework. I'm in the future tense now, and it's blowing my mind. I mean, it has been blowing my mind. I think we started in November, and that's where we're still at. It's getting better though. And I'm almost finished with this book. I think the last thing we did was this, yeah, 245. No, even further. Okay. And this book goes to like 340, so I have like 100 pages left in this book, and then I will move on to B1, which is the level I need to be to pass the exam. I still have trouble speaking, but I'm trying more and more. So anyway, that's where I'm at with Greek, in case you guys were wondering. One of the things that I felt like I wasn't doing when I was doing YouTube, because I was overwhelmed, was making food for myself. I'm really bad about ordering food. I've kind of always been that way, but it got worse last year. Anyway, so I thought I'd show you guys what I'm making for dinner. You know, you guys can help keep me accountable. So chicken breasts, rice, lots of vegetables. So, ooh, camera's steaming up. Hold on. I've never made this before, so hopefully it turns out well. And I made 2 chicken breasts so that way I could have it for lunch or dinner tomorrow. And then Monday's my busy day, so this will be good because I work all day and then I have Greek lessons in the evening. And so I'm not doing this like the day before. I'm doing laundry because I'm leaving on Saturday, like I said earlier, to go to Qatar for work. And I have quite a bit of laundry to do, so let's start the process now. And I discovered while I was cooking that I had overloaded the washer with too many heavy clothes, and now it will not drain. So it's been stuck at 14 minutes forever, and I've taken all the clothes out, so I think I'm gonna have to restart it. So I'm gonna have to unplug it and just let it spin and see what happens. Fingers crossed. I decided to look at the manual to see how to drain the washing machine, and it turns out the error message I was getting was not that it was unbalanced, it was that the drain needed to be cleaned. It wasn't like dirty, it was just full. So I guess like all those clothes were too waterlogged, and anyway, that's an adventure. And my floor in my bathroom is now kind of covered in water. So I think I'm gonna call it a night here on the vlog and finish my laundry task and do some reading while I do that, because I'm not stressed, but my bathroom is really tiny and I had to get down on my hands and knees to clean the filter and drain it into a pan because it's so low. Anyway, I could go on, but I won't bore you guys. But okay, well, if that's the worst thing that ever happens in 2026 for me personally, I'll take it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I know it's been a while, and I know that this might be a little bit rough compared to my older vlogs because I'm out of practice, but we'll get there. And I just noticed you're seeing my very messy desk behind me, so. Oh well, real life in reality here. See you next time.